Good morning, student. Here is your Priyanka Miss. I hope you all are fine, doing well. And today I am here to take you EVE. So, in EVE, we have started with our chapter 4, that is self-care. So, in self-care, we have already learned about how to make ourselves healthy and clean. Right? We have learned about this two topics. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that how can we avoid an accident. Okay, if we are healthy, strong, and we are making ourselves clean, we also need to protect us from getting hurt or injured. Okay, so we need to follow some rules to avoid this kind of accidents. You have seen in our house we use many things. Yes, most of the things are working on electricity, right? So we can get hurt from the electricity if we touch the switch with our wet hand. So there are many more things like scissors. We use scissor, but we may cut our hand with it. We use knife, right? So there are many things that we use in our home that is dangerous to us, but still we need it. So let us see some rules that we should follow to avoid the accidents. Okay,
don't play with fire. Don't play with any sharp object. Be careful with electric switch and don't lean on the railing.
Some rules that to avoid the accidents, but every time we are not in our home, right? We are going outside the park for playing, then we are going to school. So there are many more things that we should do and we should not do in outside. So let's start with what should we do. Okay, let us know first what we should do. So let us see some examples of that.
Always stand in a queue while getting on the bus. Always use footpath for walking on the road. Follow traffic lights. While climbing up and down from the stair, always be in a queue.
Seen what you should do. Now we will know about what we should not do. Obviously we should make a clear view that what should we do and what we should not do. So you have already learned that what should we do. Now we will see what we should not do.
Never play on the street or parking lot. Don't push others. Don't lean from the window of the moving vehicle. Don't run in the corridor. These are just some examples.
You have come to know that what should you do and what should you not do. Okay, and there you have seen that a stranger. When we go out from the house, we meet many peoples, right? But we should not talk with everyone. The strangers, the person we don't know. Stranger are who? The person whom we don't know. So we should not talk to any stranger or take anything from the strangers. Okay, and you have come to know everything what you should do and what should you not do, right, to avoid the accidents. So try to follow your chapter and try to solve the PDF. Bye, take care and thank you.